YouTube, it's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. I want to shout out all my alpha generals, alpha generalettes, alpha males, and alpha females in the building. Now what I got here for y'all today is another company, you know what I mean, for them youngins that been hitting me up in my IG DMs and personally, you know what I'm saying, they say, yo, Stevie D, some of the companies you promote, you know what I mean, they fine and all, and we saving up for them, but you know what I mean, we need a smaller bag, or we got a smaller bag, and we want to know, are there other companies that you can promote, you know what I mean, that we can afford, or that we can save up for faster, because you know what I mean, some people just want to look good, smell good, and feel good, you know what I mean, and that's what we all about here, is becoming alphas and super self-confident. Now, what I got here for y'all today is a different company. It's called The Gifted Few. Now, all I ask is that if y'all like anything I present from this company, you know what I mean, click my affiliate link down below and support your boy the way you should. And as a gift from me to you, you'll get 10% off with my coupon code G.S.G. You know what I mean? Give you 10% off. So please, if you want anything from this site, click my affiliate link down below. They got other pieces for male and females. And they got more expensive pieces for sterling silver. You know what I mean? Anything you're looking for, they got it. But this here, what I got here for y'all today, is for the ladies. You know what I mean? So please hit the thumbs up. Drop the medallions, because when I'm ready to give this piece away, if I give it away, you know what I mean? Drop the medallions so I can give it away to a lucky lady or a lucky man who wants to give it to their lady. You feel me? Now, like I said, support my channel. Like, comment, subscribe. Now, let's get right to it. What I got here for y'all today is The Gifted Few. Now, this is for, you know, my followers and friends, you know, the youngins, the little bit more youngins that say, yo, Stevie D. You know what I mean? We like them other companies you present, but for us that, you know what I mean, got the regular, you know what I mean, them little jobs or side jobs or something that we hustle on, we need something with the bag a little smaller, something that can make us look good, you know what I'm saying, and still feel good, because maybe, you know, they borrow money from their parents, or maybe they got a little job that they can't get, you know what I'm saying, what you can get from other sites. So what I got here for y'all, especially for y'all who don't got that other kind of bag, this is that cheaper kind of bag, The Gifted Few. Now, this is the box they came in. The package that it came in was nothing special. So, you know what I mean? Essentially, you already know. I don't like to show my address, so I get straight to it. You know what I mean? So, this is the box, the presentation it comes in. You know what I mean? So, let's get right to it. The Gifted Few, like I said. This is for the ladies. So, let's, you know what I mean? Let's get into it. What I got here for y'all too tonight, ladies, you know what I mean, is a bracelet with pink CZ stones. Now I know y'all see that other, you know what I mean, this other thing right here is from them also. I got a 2-for-1 deal, or you know, they was running a sale. They got clearance sales all the time, and just because I'm presenting something cheap, you know what I mean, this right here is a Cuban 9-inch, you know what I mean, I'm not gonna give too much on this. I'm gonna do a separate presentation, but if y'all looking for Cubans, they got affordable Cubans for y'all youngins, or for those who don't got that bag, whether young, whether older, whether mature, whether alpha or not, they got Cubans, you feel me? But this is not about that. Stay tuned for this presentation. What it's about today is this right here. Like I said, for y'all ladies who be thinking I forget about y'all, look at this right here. It's the plastic it comes in, you know what I mean? The Gifted Few. You know what I mean? So let's take it out the plastic. But you already know how I feel about the plastic. So give me 2 seconds. So look. Look at that. Nice. Pink CZ stones. You know what I mean? 14 karat gold plated. Now y'all already know. Yo, Stevie D. Now if I wanted to get that for my girl, how much is that thing right there? That thing looking crazy. You already know. So let's get straight to it. Y'all want to know the price? This right here, for this pink CZ stones, because that's pink, just in case y'all can't tell. But I know y'all can tell that lighter tone color with the stones looking, you know what I mean? Let's let that focus real quick. This right here is 7 inches and 4 millimeters wide. At the cost that y'all want to know, $59. And the size of this right here is 7 inches, you know what I mean? They got up to 9 for those women, you know what I mean, that need a bigger size. But for you women, you know what I mean, that need the basic size, 7 inches right here. And guess what the gift is for that? You know what I mean? Because they call the gift a few, so they're giving out gifts. You know what I mean? No matter what size they sell this in, for you ladies who want a gift from your man, or for you ladies who bossed up and got that bag on your own, whether young, whether old, or whether hustling on the side for your own bag, you know what I mean? This is $59. They don't sell real gold with this piece, you know what I mean? But what I can tell you about the site is they got a lot of affordable jewelry, you know what I mean? And they sell a lot of 925 sterling silver, you know what I mean? They don't only sell, you know what I mean, the gold plated stuff, but this right here is 14 karat gold plated pink CZ stones. And if you ask me, this is a perfect birthday gift for a sister, a mother, a lover, you know what I mean? Or, you know what I mean, when you out for generalettes or out for females that want to get something nice for themselves, you know what I mean? 14 karat gold plated, 4 millimeters wide, $59, super affordable for those who was asking, yo, what site, Stevie D, can I get something that's a little bit more affordable? So I ain't forget y'all, just in case y'all thought I forgot. But this right here is for the ladies. And like I showed y'all, they got Cubans, they got stuff like the other companies. They got 19 millimeters, you know what I mean? Cubans, they got sterling silver earrings, grills, all type of stuff. So all I'm going to ask you guys, if you like anything that I present from, you know what I mean, the gifted few, I have a coupon code that will be listed down below. The code is GSG, and it will give you 10% off if you go to them. They got real silver, you know what I mean? Some bigger chains, earrings, you know what I mean? Gold, diamonds, whatever y'all looking for, they got it. Very affordable, you know what I mean? If you use the code G.S.G, you will get 10% off. And guess what else they got? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? They got a lot, you feel me? And then you're like, oh, Steven, what you mean? They got a lot. But if you click my affiliate link below, you know what I mean? It will look out for me and my channel. So I'm giving you essentially 10% off, you know what I mean? Or for any item you want to get using G.S.G. This right here is $59. They got Cuban links, they got watches, and I got more on the way from them. So please, if you support this channel, click the link below and use my coupon code. It supports this channel. I just showed you a quick little Cuban that I will be presenting real soon, you know what I mean? So for you ladies that like this, you know what I mean, support your boy. I'll be giving this away in one of my giveaways, you know what I mean? You already know what to do. When I give this away, you already know in the videos that I'm giving the item away, drop the medallions and let me know if this is greenlit. So this is the class, right? Look at that, look at that, look at that. A little different than any other company. You put it here, you put it here. This is the female end, this is the male end. Hold on, I'm messing up. Snaps in, you know what I mean? Essentially snaps in, and it clasps on the side. What they call the 8-figure clasp. Oh, I just messed it up. Oh, look at me messing up right now. Put it here, and you slide it in. Bow. And then you clasp it on the side. You know what I mean? Clamp. And then off you go. Ladies, come on. Let me know if this is greenlit or not. This is something you will wear because I like it. You know what I mean? If I had that special, you know what I mean? She'd be getting this right here. But I'll probably plate it in, you know what I mean? Gold plated with sterling silver. You know what I mean? But go to them. They got grills, they got watches, they got chains. And they got stuff for women and men. Like I said, essentially this piece right here is $59. 4 millimeters wide. You know what I mean? Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and promote if you can. If you like this piece, please click the link below. See what they got because it helps me and my channel. If you like anything that I present from the gifted few. Okay, so you already know the price. You already know the chain. You already know the name. You feel me? The gifted few. Now, I will say this. The presentation isn't the greatest. But, as you can see, this don't feel cheap. And this ain't coming off This ain't coming off. Somebody try to snatch this off your wrist, it ain't coming off. You feel me? Pink stones, high quality. You know what I mean? Check them out. The Gifted Few. They got stuff for men. They got stuff for women. 10% off code if you use my code. And if you click my link, my affiliate link below, you know what I mean? You support me and my channel. I'm going to be giving this away to a lucky subscriber. So please, if you like this bracelet and you want this bracelet at 7 inches for a gift, or if you want to give it away, it's fine. I don't care, you know what I mean? Drop the medallions down there and, you know what I mean? Give me a compliment or something you like about my channel. Drop those medallions, you know what I mean? And support this channel. $59. Not bad. Look at it one more time. You already know. I'm out.